Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English with Twins. I am Lena.
And I am Leon. Welcome back.
Last episode, the driving test. We both passed.
Lena was nervous about parallel parking.
I parallel parked on the second try. That counts.
It absolutely counts.
Today, we are opening our first bank account in the U.S.
You'll learn how to ask about fees, set up online banking, and ask questions at the bank.
And how to ask a question that made the banker smile.
It was a very reasonable question, in hindsight.
A few days after we got our driver's licenses, Dad sat us down and said, "Okay, next thing, you need a bank account."
In the U.S., your paycheck goes into your bank account. Your bills come out of it, and you pay for things with a debit card linked to the account.
Debit card, a card connected directly to your bank account. When you pay with it, the money comes out of your account right away. Different from a credit card, where the bank pays first and you pay the bank back later.
Dad helped us choose a bank. We went with a big national bank that had a branch nearby. Branch, a physical location of a bank.
We walked in. A greeter near the door said, "Good morning. How can I help you today?" I said, "Good morning. We would like to open a checking account."
Checking account. The account you use for everyday life. Receiving your paycheck, paying bills, making purchases with your debit card.
We were ready. Well, I was ready, with a folder.
Lena always has a folder.
The greeter directed us to a desk near the window. A banker came over, a woman named Ms. Thompson. Very professional, very warm. She said, "Hi there. Have you banked with us before?"
Have you banked with us before? A natural way to ask if you are already a customer. Answer simply, "No, this is our first time." Or, "Yes, I already have an account here."
We said, "No, this is our first time. We just moved to the U.S. from Vietnam." Miss Thompson smiled and said, "Welcome. I will walk you through the whole process."
Walk you through. To explain something step by step. I will walk you through the process.
She asked for our documents: ID, Social Security number, and proof of address. Proof of address. A document that shows where you currently live. A utility bill or lease agreement works.
We had everything ready. Dad helped us prepare the night before. He made a checklist.
Dad also likes to be prepared. Now I know where Lena gets it from.
Miss Thompson went through the account options. She said, "Our basic checking account has no monthly fee as long as you maintain a minimum balance or set up direct deposit."
Monthly fee. A charge the bank takes from your account every month. Always ask about this before you open.
Minimum balance. The lowest amount you must keep in your account to avoid fees. If it drops below that,
The bank may charge you.
Direct deposit. When your employer sends your paycheck directly into your bank account. No paper check. The money just appears on payday.
I said, could you explain the fee structure? I want to understand before we sign anything.
Fee structure. The complete set of charges that may apply to your account. Always ask about this before committing.
Miss Thompson explained clearly. No monthly fee if we kept a minimum balance of $500 or set up direct deposit. Then she said, do you have any other questions? And Leon had a question.
I had a very logical question. Yes, if I put money in today, can I take it all out tomorrow? Miss Thompson looked at me for a moment. Just a moment.
And then she smiled. She said, yes, it is your money. You can withdraw it whenever you want.
Withdraw. To take money out of your bank account. I would like to withdraw some cash.
Then she asked, is there a reason you are asking? Are you worried about access to your funds?
Funds. Another word for money. Especially money in a bank account.
I said, in Vietnam, sometimes banks have rules about withdrawing large amounts. I just wanted to make sure it works differently here.
Miss Thompson nodded and said, that is actually a very smart question. In the US, you can access your funds anytime. Though for very large cash withdrawals, the bank may ask for advance notice.
Advance notice, letting someone know ahead of time. Please give us advance notice for large withdrawals. So it was a reasonable question.
A very reasonable question. The teller at the next desk was smiling too. She was just being friendly.
After all the questions, we filled out the paperwork. Miss Thompson said, your accounts are all set up. You will receive your debit cards within 5 to 7 business days.
Business days. Working days. Monday through Friday. Not counting weekends or public holidays.
She helped us download the bank app and set up account alerts.
Set up alerts. Notifications that tell you when money goes in or out of your account. Very useful for tracking your spending.
Before we left, I asked, is there anything else we should know as new customers?
Is there anything else we should know? A great question to ask at the end of any meeting. It shows you are thorough, and it often brings up something useful you forgot to ask.
Miss Thompson said, just one thing. If your card is ever lost or stolen, call us immediately. We will freeze the account and send you a new card right away.
Freeze the account. To temporarily lock your account so no one can use it. If your card is lost or stolen, call your bank right away. Do not wait.
We walked out with our account numbers, a temporary card, and a much better understanding of American banking.
Dad was waiting outside. He said, "How did it go?"
I said, "Good. We have accounts now." Then Leon said,
"Did you know you can withdraw all your money whatever you want?
Dad looked at Leon. He did not say anything for about 3 seconds. He was processing.
Dad said,
Yes, that is how banks work, Leon.
I said, "It is not always how banks work in other countries, Dad."
Lena was defending me. She was stating a fact. Dad just nodded slowly and started the car.
Okay, let's look at the phrases from today. First, checking account. Your everyday account for spending, bills, and receiving money.
Second, have you banked with us before? A natural way to ask if someone is an existing customer.
Third, monthly fee and minimum balance. Always ask about these before you open an account.
Fourth, direct deposit. When your employer sends your paycheck straight into your bank account.
Fifth, withdraw. To take money out of your account. I would like to withdraw some cash.
6th, business days. Working days. Monday through Friday. Not counting public holidays.
7th, set up alerts. Notifications that tell you when money moves in or out of your account.
And 8th, is there anything else we should know? Ask this at the end of any meeting. It shows you are thorough.
That is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching Slow English with Twins. Next episode, our first week of college classes. New professors. New classmates.
And Leon sat in the wrong classroom for 20 minutes before realizing.
The room numbers are not confusing, Leon. Please subscribe so you do not miss it. And leave us a comment. Tell us, do you have a bank account? What was confusing about banking at first?
They were confusing to me. We would love to read your answers. See you next episode. Bye, everyone. You are doing better than you think. Keep going.